When people hear wallet, they think of leather and cash. But a crypto wallet doesn't hold coins. It holds keys. And those keys decide whether your crypto is safe or gone forever. What a wallet really is. A crypto wallet is your access tool to the blockchain. Your coins stay on the chain, not inside the app. The wallet just stores your private key, the password that proves ownership. Two main types of wallets. There are only two broad kinds. 1. Hot wallets, connected to the internet. 2. Cold wallets, kept completely offline. Both do the same job, but in very different ways. Hot wallets. Hot wallets live on your phone or browser, like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or an exchange account. They're convenient for trading and quick transfers, but always online means always exposed. Cold wallets. Cold wallets stay offline, hardware devices, or even paper keys stored safely. They're immune to hacks because they never touch the internet. Think of them as your long-term vault. Private key and seed phrase. Every wallet creates a private key and seed phrase, 12 to 24 words that recover your wallet. Lose them, and no one, not even the wallet company, can help you. Write them down, never share them. Exchange wallet versus personal wallet. When you keep coins on an exchange, you don't hold the keys. The exchange does. It's like parking money in someone else's wallet. Great for trading, risky for storage. When to use each. Use hot wallets for small, frequent trades or daily use. Use cold wallets for savings or long-term holds. Pros trade from heat. Investors sleep in cold. Common mistakes to avoid. Biggest mistakes? Opening phishing links. Sending coins to the wrong network. One careless moment can cost everything. Security checklist. Use two-factor authentication. Bookmark official websites. Backup seed phrases offline. Never share your keys. Security isn't paranoia. It's discipline. Future of wallets. Next-gen wallets are becoming smarter with built-in security, recovery, even AI-powered fraud alerts. But one rule never changes. Control your keys, control your crypto. Let's recap. Wallets don't hold coins, they hold keys. Hot is online and easy. Cold is offline and safe. Your seed phrase is your lifeline. Protect it, and your crypto is truly yours. And don't forget to subscribe to LearnFi for more such simple, smart explanations on crypto, trading, and finance. Until next time, keep hustling.